Bill Gates is a software developer and the youngest contractor of the 20th century. Born the 28th October 1955 in a rich family in Seattle, his father was a lawyer and his mother a professor and director of Little Enterprises. In 1968, at the age of 13, he created with his friend a startup named Lakeside Programmers. Then, in 1973, he was accepted in Harvard, but soon left the university with his friend Paul Allen for create Microsoft. He married his wife, Melinda French, the 1st January 1994. Pretty soon after, she gave birth of 2 daughters and a boy named Jennifer Catherine, Rory John, and Foy Badel. Now he lives in Seattle at the north of the Washington Lake.
Bill Gates dropped out of Harvard waiting to be at the forefront of computer software business. He soon co-founded Microsoft with Paul Allen in 1975. At the beginning, it was funded to develop and sell basic computer programs from the Altair 88,000. Thereafter, in 1981, she became one of IBM's subcontractors. So Bill Gates took the opportunity to become the exclusive licensing agent of 86-DOS or Q-DOS. By the early in 1990, Microsoft had sold more than 100 million copies of MS-DOS, making it one of the most successful software ever written. In 1995, he released Windows 95, which is the operating system that changed everything. Today, more than a billion PCs are in use today, and Microsoft tools are preferred by many governments around the world, and they also play an important role in the educational institutions around the world.
In 2000, Gates and his wife created the charitable Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which was identified in 2013 as the world's wealthiest charitable foundation, with assets reportedly valued at more than $34.6 billion. The foundation allows benefactors to access information that shows how its money is being spent. Gates has credited the generosity and extensive philanthropy of David Rockefeller as a major influence. It supports a wide range of public health projects like vaccine, grants funds to learning institutes, and have taken an interest in solving global sanitation problems. Bill Gates is known as one of the best men of his generation, and if you want to see more about him, watch Inside Bill Brains in Netflix.